Hi guys, today we are discussing about how to design a office building in StatPro. Here first we have to take new project, just click on space, give the file name as office building. Here you have to select the location of our file save. I want to save this in my downloads and click on OK. Here length units is meter and force units is kilonewton. Just fix it and go to next. Here add beam option, just click on it and finish. Just off this grid mode and go to geometry, run structure wizard option. Here you have to select the frame models. Here we have the option of circular beam, just double click on it. Here give the radius as 18 and give the number of bays along periphery as 20. Just apply on it. Click on next option and click on OK. Here this is our circular. Again go to geometry, run structure wizard option. Here again you have to select the frame models, circular beam. Here again I want to give the radius as 12 and the number of bays along periphery as 20. Just click on apply and go to cancel option, click on next option, click on OK. Again I want to go geometry, here run structure wizard option. Go to cancel option. Okay, again go to geometry, run structure wizard option. Here go to frame models. Again click on circular beam, give the radius as 6 and give the number of bays along periphery as 20. Click on apply and go to cancel option. Click on this option and click on OK. Okay. Here now we are adding a beams from here to here, from here to here. Okay. Now select these two beams and go to circular repeat option. Here in y direction it is in 360, number of steps as 20. Go to click on OK option. Here all our beams are added along 20 periphery options. Again take a plate cursor. Here just take a plates. Again I want to take a plate here also. Okay. Again I want to take a plate cursor here and select these two plates. Just press Ctrl for single selection. Go to circular repeat. Here in y direction it is in number of steps of 20. Just click on OK. Here our plates also activated here. So just click it and now it will be seen on 3D rendering view. Yes, this is our building, bottom part of our building. So again I want to copy this. Just select this and click on right click, copy and click on paste. It is in X direction 50. Just click on enter. Okay. Just take it in 3D view. Sorry. Yes. Just take it in 3D view and remove this. Again we have to observe this in 3D rendering view. Okay, plates also copied. Just take plate cursor and select all the plates here and again click on copy and then click on paste plates. This is also in X direction. Just use the same direction, same distance. Okay. Again these all are seen on 3D rendering. Okay, here beams or only beams are selected. Then take some plate pixel. Okay, now it will be observed in 3D rendering view. Yes, these two are like this, and again I want to draw a beams here. Just exit beam cursor. Again I have to connect the nodes like this, beams, add the beams like this. This will be done when the structure is in top view. Okay, after that just select the beam cursor and select these beams and click on right click. Here we have the option of insert node option. Here add midpoints and click on OK. From these node points just select again these nodes by using node cursor. Just select this and click on, just give right click. Here we have the option of copy and again paste nodes. It is in x direction, view the distance as 4 and click on OK. Again give the right click. Here again we have to paste these nodes. This is in minus x direction, minus 4. Just click on OK. Okay. Again we have to select these internal nodes by using node cursor. Sorry, external nodes also apply. This is our node cursor. Just select this. Okay, only our internal nodes are selected. Here we have the geometry. Here we have the option of connected beams along in Z axis. 4 members are created. Just click on OK. Here our beams are selected. So again we have to take a plate cursor, 4 node plate. Just select this. Just click on this and save it. Again view the plates like this. Here there is no plate activated, so again we have to take a 4 node plate. Just view the plates like this. Okay, just click on escape. Again we have to select the plate cursor, select the object. It will be like this. The total object is selected and observed it in 3D rendering. Yes, these all are our plates. And here go to translation repeat. Here it is in y direction. Here give the number of steps as okay. First of all, here just take the beams cursor and select this circular and control it. It will be taken and again press on control and select this circle only like this and break this like this. From here we have to give these two circles as translation repeat. In y direction it is 10 floors or 15 floors as you wish. It will be 3. Just click on link steps and click on OK. Just you have to observe these in 3D view. This is like this. Again I want to take this in top view, and here I want to take plate cursor. Again I want to select these all by using plate cursor like this and like this. Here go to translation repeat. It is in y direction. Number of steps it will be 10, and number of steps and height will be 3. Go to link steps and click on OK. Go to 3D option. Here our plates also visible. Again I want to take plate cursor and observe it in 3D rendering view. Are you observe? This is like this. These are only plates. So again I want to take it beams also. Like this. This is our beams. Okay, again we have to keep the structure in top view. Now we have to take this middle portion, beam cursor, okay, go to here, translation repeat. Here the direction is y and number of steps is 7 and it will be 3. And click on link steps and click on OK. Go to 3D, OK, it will be like this. Again go to top view. We have to take plate cursor and just select the plates like this. Now we have to take the translation repeat for these plates. Here number of steps is 7. Just view the spacing as 3. Just click on OK. Okay. So now we have to take all these in 3D view. These are beams and just select the plates. Go to 3D rendering view. Yes, this is like this when you are selecting plates. So here our plates for these 3 are applied, and go to rendering view. Here you have to observe the building in 3D rendering view. Yes, this is our building in 3D rendering view. These two circles have in 10 floors. This is in 7 floors only. So here we have to delete our last ground floor. It is not a ground floor, it is a bottom part only. Just take in front view and select the plates. Here selected and click on delete option. Here 96 plates are selected to delete. Just click on OK. Again I have to select the beams at bottom Sorry, these all are selected. Like this, the beams all are selected. Just click on delete and click on OK. Here you have to observe the beams are deleted like this. Again, just observe this in 3D rendering view. Yes, it will be completed. So up to now our geometry part will be completed. In our next video we have to discuss about general, that means properties, supports, loads and definitions and materials for this building. Okay, thank you.